Every night, are we paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place.
It's afternoon now, and Hobie just left. Now he just went to his campus, so I'm home alone. Guys, I'm having pains. My hair. You see this place? My lower abdomen is really paining me. Like, I decided to put this belt on. So this is it. Maternity support. Guys, the MRI appointment I went yesterday. Oh goodness. It's just like, it's stressful. It's so painful. Like, it's not that when you are entering inside it's painful, but when you are in there, the sound and the way your body will be doing you, and also that exercise, breathing exercise, Jesus Christ. So the person will say, breathe in and hold your breath. You hold your breath for, oh God, as long as the man will say breathe.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze fills up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're.
Oh goodness. So guys, yesterday, day before yesterday, my husband made delicious beans stew or beans porridge in I know you do. See, my husband is saying I should boil egg to it. Okay, sir. So 2 days ago, Hobie made delicious beans stew, and guys, we took it with plain rice. My boy loved it. These days baby Caleb is eating our food, and I'm so glad about that. I'm making this potato, so I was craving for potato and beans stew. Yeah, so this is the beans, so we will eat this one. I'll warm this one just now, even put it in the microwave. Go to the fridge. Oh, this day my boy love beans too. Oh God. So the man is funny. Jesus God. Oh, I'm hungry.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze fills up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a life, no need to move.
Guys, I'm making juice. Because I don't have juicer yet, I'm using my blender to juice out. So I have here orange and apple. Okay, I'll show you guys later. This is my apples. I'm just adding water to it. Yeah. Guys, I can't wait to have juicer. The way I'm doing it, I'm liking it. It's like I can take enough of it and it's healthy. Like, you know the kind of fruit you are juicing, right? That one, it makes sense that you're going to buy from the store. This one, I'm using watermelon, apples, and 1 orange. I used 2 apples and 1 orange, and then my leftover watermelon. And the flavor, like the color, and also the scent, the I don't know. I've not tasted it, but it looked good. So just imagine if I have juicer, I'll be juicing a lot of orange juice because my boy love drinks. My boy love orange juice and apple juice. This using blender is so stressful because you have to sieve it with this one. You see, it's so stressful. So I can't wait to have juicer. We have to try and get juicer. And when I get juicer, oh my god, you guys, everything I will juice. Anything my hands will lay on, I'll be juicing. I'll be juicing because I like healthy stuff. This house, my husband like healthy stuff. I like healthy stuff. So our children need to eat healthy. Yeah. Because we buy a lot of fruit and vegetable whenever we go for grocery shopping. Me fancy. Yeah, Limbo. My son is crying. So I just finished taking my shower. I need to go and put my baby to sleep because this boy, like, if you don't put him to sleep, he can't sleep.
Give it up, or else. Now go. What am I supposed to do here? Come on. Okay, have fun, girls.
Hello?
On to makeup.
So that you will not stain your shirt, okay?
My sets, they're gone.
Let's go.
You never know.
New pictures, no? I said, do you love baby? Say, yeah, it's very beautiful. Yeah, he was not there. I said, give me the phone. And I gave him the phone.
You see baby picture?
You like baby? And he was like, the baby night. Yeah, and I said, so this is why it's inside here. And you were today I show you the picture. You remember? Yeah. So that's why it's inside. So you don't beat. When you beat, she will cry. She, senior brother is beating me. Why? Have I done anything wrong? We love you. Say love you. Say love you, princess. We love you.
Bye, baby. I'm going to school. You see yourself? See? This shirt is also looking small on you. Hey, you are growing, my boy. Yay. The laugh is good. No, you are not a cat, right? So kiss the baby.
I'll take your back.
I should cover it. You are done, so I should cover it. Okay, I'm covering it. Say bye, baby. Bye, baby. Bye, big brother. My love, God protect you and guide you, okay? Okay, love you.
Love you.
Guys, it's another day. Today is Tuesday. And that's what we normally do. It's like a family rituals. So I just prepared breakfast for this boy. Do you know what this boy did? It pained me like something. Because when his daddy is bathing him, what I do is I would just come to the kitchen. He said Caleb said he wants cereal. I said okay. And I can also feed my boy only that. So as a mother, that's like balanced diet, them things. I said, let me just make scrambled eggs for this boy. So I broke 2 eggs and add milk to it and use the olive oil in a medium heat. So it was so good. I served this boy. This boy sat here on his chair and he was eating the cereal. He didn't eat the egg. So I said, okay, let me go to the kitchen and come and sit and be feeding him the egg. Because sometimes that's what he will do. When he wants something, like he said he wants cereal, that's the thing. If you add any meal he will not eat that other meal. He will finish the one that he wanted earlier on. So he was just eating his cereal. His daddy came out and said, finish fast, let's go, finish fast, let's go. I don't know if that one also made this boy annoying also. I just said, Panyai. He just pushed this table down together with the plate and everything scattered on the floor. The way it pained me, So his cereal, he didn't finish, and the egg, he didn't even touch it. It pained me like something. So later on, he went to where we normally keep the cereal. He took his table to that place to go and get the cereal so that I will redo another one for him. And his daddy said, no, let's go. Since you have already poured this one, there is no cereal for you. When you go to school, they will give you food. And I said, if you go to school and they give you food, Sebi, you don't throw it away. Go and throw it there. Because that place, like, I don't know. I don't know whether it's normal or what. Because it's like this house, the way Caleb behaves is different from when he's in school. Because sometimes when we go for him, that's what the madam, they will say, that Caleb does not throw food away. If my mom, maybe it's not around, or maybe my mom is busy, or there is no egg in the house, what my dad would do is he will give us money, extra money, for us to buy the egg in school and eat. So that's what this house we are doing. Every day you eat egg, every day you eat egg. That's why sometimes our eggs will not last long, because this house we eat, me and my boy, we like to eat a lot of eggs. Sometimes Caleb will eat like the way I eat. Sometimes too, I will be the one eating them. Right now that I'm talking, I'm boiling my egg. I will eat it with my anything that I want to eat. So I'm so confused. Upon all this stage that I am in, I'm still a good student. Sometimes I ask myself, where am I getting the energy from? Yesterday, my professor emailed me, and because I couldn't submit the assignment, I emailed him that if he can give me extra day. Yesterday, I saw his message. I was so happy. Oh God. It's always good to be a serious student, no matter how absenteeism you are. Because me, sometimes I go to school once in a week, or maybe twice. Or hi guys, so I'm just going to pick my baby boy. And if you are a mother, how do you normally cope with a toddler? Sometimes when my boy goes to school, I have that kind of time to do what I want to do. Sorry, it's okay, baby. We will get you the play this thing, okay? Go to the store and then you pick what you want, okay? Sorry, my love, sorry. Don't worry, very soon baby girl will come and then you will be playing. You will have a playmate, okay? So guys, I have reached home. My boy, the reason why Caleb is crying is that he doesn't want to come home. And this is not the first time. He has been doing that. Whenever we drop him in the morning, he will cry. When we go for him, he will cry. The reason of him crying when he's coming home is that you will go and you will see Caleb playing with the stove. Like, he likes to cook, he likes to play with his friends. And sometimes you will go and Caleb is so busy playing. So if he's busy playing and you go for him, he will cry. So that is why he is crying like that. Caleb, hold it for daddy, okay? Help daddy. Good job. It will hit your head though. I've come home. I want to see if I can get the energy to cook. Left it like that. Because the way the time was going, Jesus, my husband said, if you want to go and take this boy, you have to go now. I said, okay, I'll go. I just sat down, just less than this thing, 5:10. I was even lucky that I went there before 5:30. And still, there were a lot of kids there. It was, and when I was even waiting for them to bring my baby, some people also came. 2 cars were behind me. Yes, my love. You're helping Daddy?
Yeah.
Daddy, okay? Your daddy need help. Daddy doesn't want to leave this thing. I told Daddy that he should trash it. He said, no, let me do it. It has taken Daddy the whole day. Guys, the food that I'm coming to make here, do or make, which one? The food that I'm coming to cook. In Ghana, the northern side, we call it Jojo.
Yay!
I have a assignment that I wanted to do today, but so this, guys, this is the as like I don't know what to say. My husband spent more than 8 hours, yeah, because since morning he just finished doing this thing that is looking at my face here. It just in my man's time. Just imagine, because the instruction, the manual is so bad that he was finding it difficult to. He has even done well because it's so bad. The manual is wrong, like very, very wrong. And you know one thing, the mirror has already broken. And I told my husband that let's trash it, because I wanted us to refund, like send it back. And Hobie said like the amount that we will return it is higher, so we should just keep. And I said no, then let's trash everything. He said no, let's do it, and then we can be keeping things inside. And I think it makes sense, yeah. So he has finished with it. It looks nice, but this book is nothing. This book is nothing. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. It's cute though, but my son is sleeping. How can you sleep like this? Eh? You have come out from this side. See him. He like to sleep on this my pillow. Eh? He like to just cross-passing, sleeping at my position. How can you just jump from here to here? Yeah, I know. He's comfortable sleeping on this pregnancy pillow. Yeah.